Hello friends, this is Abhinav Jha and today we are going to see our next experiment, that is experiment number 5, interfaces and runtime polymorphism. So our first experiment is interfaces. Yes, so in interfaces we actually store functions which will be accessed by the classes which implements the interface. So an interface with only one function is called function interface, and we cannot create any object for interfaces. So to achieve this we use dynamic method dispatch, as we'll see later. So coming to the program, we in this interface we have total of three functions, that is add contact, edit contact, and display contact. So we have created a class called contact details, which implements the interface contact table. So here we have a total of three variables: name of string data type, email of string data type, and number of double data type. And here we have a parameterized constructor. So here we have we have accessed the three functions which are present in the interface, and we have overridden it by the annotation override. uh, the first function is add contact, which will take the input from the user and initialize the uh, uh, name, email, and number. Similarly, the next function is display contact, as it will display the values entered by the user. And the next one is edit contact, which will update the uh, contact. So our next class which we create is Facebook, which extends the previous class which you have created as contact details, and extends implements the interface contact table. uh, so here we are actually we can actually access the class and the interface simultaneously. So here we apply the same uh, those three functions: add contact, display contact, and edit contact. And following that Facebook, we have another class called WhatsApp, which similarly extends contact details and implements the interface contact table as the previous class WhatsApp Facebook did. So here also we have overridden functions, those three overridden functions, that are add contact, display contact, and edit contact. So here we have a main class followed by the main method, and it is a menu driven program. So here we use array of objects. So if we have chosen our option as 1, so we can add the contact, we can display the contact, and edit the contact in WhatsApp. And if we have selected the option as 2, so then we can follow those three functions in Facebook, and these two options will be given as, or these two functions will be given as options to the user. So it is a menu driven program in which if you select 1, you can add the contact, and if you select the 2, second option, you can edit the contact, and third one to display. So if you choose any other option except of these, you will get an error. So our next experiment is on similarly on interface, and this time we have bus. So here we create a interface travel bookings, and we have total of four functions within this interface. As you can see here, it is search tickets, display bookings, book tickets, cancel tickets. And we have a class over here, a bus, which implements the interface which we have created above. And we consider three variables: source and destination of string data type, and the cost of double data type. And here we applied the parameterized constructor, and we override the three functions which are present in the interface. And following that, we have our class data, which extends bus and implements the interface, and we override those four functions again. The next class is Volvo, which similarly extends as the previous class did, which extends bus and implements travel bookings, and we can access those functions altogether. and here is a main class following the main method. Here similarly we follow array of objects. In these two functions, data and Volvo, will be given as output, as will be given as the options to the user, so that he can choose any of them. And the four functions, as we have seen above, search tickets, book tickets, cancel tickets, and display tickets, are displayed here. If you select one, it will follow the search tickets, followed by second book tickets, third cancel tickets, and fourth one display tickets. If you choose any of the option, it creates an error. So this is all about interfaces and runtime polymorphism. So all these functions and interfaces are achieved by runtime polymorphism, and there is no other way through which you can implement the interface and make it use. Yeah, there is one more, lambda expression. So thank you.